everyone, welcome back to my channel, Homemaking with Lizzie. I am so happy that you're here. If you're new, welcome. If you've returned, thank you so much. That means so much to me. In today's video, we are going to be undecorating for Halloween all of my decorations and getting things put back into bins so that we can have a little bit of a transition where there's no decorations out and breathe for a moment, and then we're going to be jumping into Christmas/fall kind of transitioning. I don't really go hard Christmas after Halloween. It's just not, it gets my family too excited too early, and then I'm answering questions all season. Is it Christmas yet? Is it Christmas yet? No, it's 2 months away. Sorry. So in today's video, I am going to be getting all of that undecorated. But if you could, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future content I have coming your way between now and the end of the year in particular, because between now and the end of year, I am going to be posting 2 times a week, Mondays and Fridays, because I have so much stuff that I'm wanting to share with you guys so that you have all the inspiration, motivation, and ideas and anything else that decides to flow through my creativity this holiday season. So I wouldn't want you to miss it. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and jump into undecorating for Halloween. So to start off, we're gonna go ahead and start with my living room. I like to put all the decorations together that are similar in nature. This way, when I go to put everything away into the bins, I will have it all organized so that when I pull it out for next year to decorate, everything should be pretty organized and it'll be a lot smoother of a process to get everything put out because everything will be super accessible and I'm not searching around trying to find everything. Okay, I know I can't be the only one that feels this way, but for those of you who decorate for Halloween, do you get anxious to take it down before Halloween even happens? I never take it down until after, but I start to get antsy for the other holidays. I start seeing stuff on social media and it gets me excited for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and I just get an itch to take it all down. I resist, but it is there. Tell me, are you guys chill and just hang with your Halloween decorations, or are you itching like I am?
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by yourself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the doorway, pretending that you had the time of your life. Had we met before, instant chemistry, was so glad you came. Had we met before, laughing instantly, but it didn't feel.
Okay, here is the part where I'm sorting out everything into the bins. This is what I'm talking about. So you can see on the left here, I have a bin of just pumpkin things. It's a combination of Halloween and Thanksgiving, so it's just pumpkins in general. The one that I'm filling right now on the right center is going to be full of light up decorations. So anything that has a battery and a switch is going into that bin, and I'm wrapping them because most of them are ceramic and I don't want them to break. And on the back chair there, if you can see in the gray chair, I separated those items because I am lending them to my mother-in-law, who is going to be participating in a late Halloween activity for her church, and she didn't decorate this year, and I told her she could take mine and borrow them so that she didn't have to go through the trouble of pulling them all out, and that way the kids, the little trick-or-treaters at church, could still enjoy some fun Halloween decorations and just have a good time.
Had we met before, laughing instantly, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning.
Now we're moving into my dining area. I'm just getting everything broken down into piles and getting a space cleared so that as I'm pulling Halloween decorations from my dining and kitchen area, I have a place to put them and group them into similar piles. I am just putting away some candy that we had left over from the night. If you didn't see it already, I did create a tablescape for Halloween. I have a video that I'll link if you want to go see that.
Came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind.
Here we're just getting some puppy loves in, but you will see between the two of these, they can start out calm. I could be giving them equal attention, and then out of nowhere, one of them will show a little bit of extra excitement, and then it gets out of hand real fast.
No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush. Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss. Something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
So as I mentioned in other videos before this one, we host Halloween. We have family members come, some extended family members, and it's a pretty laid back night with some hearty comfort food that just tastes good. On Halloween night, I took my little ones trick-or-treating, and then we came back, and my husband and my brother-in-law had stayed behind to pass out candy. As I've mentioned in my outdoor decorate with me for Halloween, we like to sit out with the skeletons, and we bring out an outdoor heater because it gets pretty chilly at night, and we all sit around and pass out candy and chat and listen to some fun either Halloween music or other music, and it's just a really fun night. People are inside and outside. We had some chicken sandwiches that my mother-in-law brought, and I made some chicken soup and some homemade hot chocolate that I've shown in my What's for Din Din video way back. I believe it was in the spring I shared that. So if you're looking for that, I'll link the video. But it was a really fun night, and again, it was just a really laid back night. What did you guys do for Halloween? Did you even pass out candy? I know that hearing the doorbell ring over and over again can kind of get annoying, even though the kids are cute. So that's why we like to sit outside, and we get to chat with neighbors and friends, and it's more of a social thing instead of an annoyance. How did you guys celebrate Halloween? So this is one of the very last times this season I'll be using my Mrs. Meyer's Fall Leaves scent to clean my countertops. I am very excited to switch over to the Iowa Pine scent that brand offers. It is my most favorite, but because it smells so much like Christmas, I can't justify using it all year round, and that's yucky. But the rest of the year, my other favorite scent is the peony. It smells so good. My house smells amazing afterwards. So if you're looking for some good cleaner scents that are more natural, I will link the Mrs. Meyer's cleaners down below. I'm sure most of you are familiar with them, but some of the scents I actually do not like at all, and then other ones I am so in love with. So I feel like it's kind of trial and error and see which ones you like best. I am pulling everything off of the counters because the other counter just showed me that I really need to do a deep wipe down. A lot of times I am short on time and just need to clean the main areas. And so this was a time for me to really deep clean before I put Christmas stuff up and really get my house in shape for getting Christmas things out.
I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you. Hey, I wish you could see yourself. Just sitting.
Now that I'm done getting some puppy loves, I have moved all the decorations that were on my dining room table into the living room to be sorted out into the bins.
Straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid and I know you.
Now that I have all the decor bins put away, I am going to be wiping down a bunch of surfaces and getting things fresh and clean, kind of a deep clean, so that before we have family and any kind of company over and before we start putting out any kind of decorations for Christmas, we'll have a fresh canvas to start with, so to speak. I can't remember the last time I wiped down the side of my mantle. The white hides a lot of the marks and dirt that might collect on it. But I did realize that my kids like to play on or next to the fireplace, especially during family dance parties. And so I really felt like I needed to wipe those little marks off and clean up the little stone piece in front of it. I'll show you in just a second how dirty it actually was.
But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
So I'm going to be vacuuming my floors and my couches, but I had planned out in my head that I would move all the furniture and vacuum behind that to give it a really deep vacuum. But at this point, I was really starting to slow down and get tired, and I still needed to undecorate my front yard. And so I figured I would just get to moving the furniture and vacuuming behind it another day coming up here soon. And just spreading my efforts and energy out a little bit so that it could go a little bit further. But overall, I was very pleased at the end of the day with being able to put away all the Halloween decorations, both inside and out. Alright ladies, that's a wrap for undecorating Halloween with me today. I'm so glad that you joined me. Don't forget to like this video if you found any motivation from it today. Comment down below how your Halloween went or with your favorite Christmas emoji. And subscribe. Always subscribe. That way you don't miss any of the future content I have coming your way. And stick around for what's to come. I have lots of Christmas decorating and hauls and shopping and cleaning and all the things to get ready. I have a Christmas planning video that will be coming out shortly with printables, so look for that. And if you're still looking for more undecorating inspiration and motivation for this Halloween season, check this video out. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye!